Yo, what's up YouTube? So today I'm bringing you guys another video, and today's gonna be the new Jordan 3s that just released during All-Star weekend. I think they came out on Saturday, I believe. These are Jordan SEs, so yeah, let's get into it. Here we got the shoes. Overall they're actually not that bad. The presentation on the box is actually pretty dope. I do like that half elephant print, half it's like a varsity red. So let me just shoes real quick. So here we got the new Air Jordan 3 that just released on Saturday during All-Star weekend. I think these are like, I'm not really sure how I feel about them. I don't like the red, to be honest. I think it's too much red. I think these are gonna be called the red cements. The quality wise is not too bad. Just I don't know. I think for me personally, just it's a little bit too much red. The shoes primarily. Let's see what the color. Oh, it's fire red, not varsity red. Sorry about that. Yeah, fire red with red cement, gray, and that's basically it, and black, obviously, because the shoe is black in it. So we got the bottom sole is just classic gray with red and then a Nike logo. The midsole is just kind of like the black cements with the white primarily midsole with the black intake right here. You got the black tab with the Nike sign. You got a gray tongue. It's basically black cement just with a red upper. So here we got my black cement 3s. These are a little bit beat. These are from 2011. So you can see the similarities between these two. At least color pattern wise. Here just a shot, yeah, they're pretty beat. I might have B-rolls on these, but yeah, these are pretty worn. I might need a new pair. But yeah, retail for these is $200. They came out, I think it's a general release. If you really wanted these, it would be pretty good to cop. I know Chicago had the Chi on the back, but the quality wise was all the same other than having a different back tab. But most people nowadays know how to replace these if that's something you really wanted to do. But even those aren't even going that much on StockX. Even these right here aren't going too much. But overall the shoes are actually pretty dope. Let me grab the other one. So it comes with a red lace and a white lace. I think having it black is already good enough. I personally wouldn't change the color. I would just keep it black, to be honest. Putting the red is too much red, white. I don't know. The contrast wouldn't be so great. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm going to have B-roll shots comparing the other 3s that I have. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.